Sally, I need your help more than anyone's.
You certainly do, Jack.
Yeah. Welcome to the Johnson Minnie's Halloween at Home. Yay! Oh. Are you missing Disneyland as much as we are? Today we're going to show you how to make Disneyland Minnie Mouse Witch milkshake to bring some magic at home. And dip in. And here's the chocolate. It's not like that kind of. The chocolate won't go like that, so it'll just like smooth with the cup, the spoon, like smooth it a little bit, because the chocolate won't.
Alright, we're gonna dip our cups into some orange candy melts.
Lexi, your turn.
So we can decorate them with some green M&Ms. Ooh.
Give me a little bit.
Ooh, yummy. Okay.
Time to put on the chocolate. Get one. Two.
Alright, Lex, put your candies on.
It's just like the gingerbread with the bun. Nanny. This the shine. Boo.
What does a witch sound like?
Music.
Ethan, what's your favorite ride at Disneyland?
The Jack Scott ride.
Lexi, what's your favorite ride at Disneyland? Oh, Sally. Okay.
I am the clown with the tearaway face.
I love it. Now we're gonna put the chocolate inside the bows. Watch Lexi, she dips it in. There she goes. The chocolate. Put it inside the bowl. Just like that. Get some more chocolate. Baby. Get more chocolate. This is my song.
Is this your song? You love that movie?
Oreos, you need Oreos that are smashed, and some chocolate ice cream, and some minty ice cream, and some milky, and this, of course. So,
Okay, we're gonna pour the Oreos in. Go ahead, Ethan, pour the Oreos in. Okay, put some Oreo ice cream in there.
Oreo ice cream coming right up. That's a big scoop of ice cream. It's okay if you use like any kind of big ice cream, but your ice cream. I'm just trying to smash it because I have like no room, so smash it down a little bit. There. And then we're gonna put some of the milk. Woo! I'm gonna put it all the way where the ice cream is. There. That's almost like where the ice cream is. Ooh, this is very good, Butter. Yeah, you have a little bit orange on your mouth. In her eyelash.
Is that pretty good, Lex?
Yeah. Hi, Butter. Hi, Butter. That's good. Now we blended it up. Now it's time to put on the whipped cream and decorate the milkshake. Ah, this is our purple. We're gonna cover it all over the white top. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna we got some more extra, but this is enough, I think. Whoa. And then we're gonna put the bow in the you know, some ears for Mickey Mouse. And then we got some sprinkles, raining sprinkles. I need cream, Daddy.
deny it. What I do, I am the best.
That's so good.
Keep going, more. All right, guys, how are they? Just like Disneyland's?
Disneyland's so good. Thing I ever tasted. That's so good. It's so easy. Steps. Just follow our video.
Minnie Mouse and Minnie.
Minnie Mouse.
Yes, Minnie Mouse.
Keep watching the Johnson Minis Halloween at Home. Subscribe to our Halloween channel.
Subscribe, please.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. Perfect.